Real estate is not a race, it's a marathon. There is a bunch of real estate agents that they just go in a sprint and they don't realize that this is more a resilient type of job, a consistent type of job, and that's what I provide to my clients. My name is Pernia. I'm a real estate professional with RESF. I love real estate because I love helping people through their life to try to achieve their goals, creating wealth. That's why I love this so much. I started my career in real estate. I didn't know no one. I didn't have any, circles of influence because I was coming from Cuba. Then I went to Spain to study, so I came into Miami. I started doing cold calling. That's the hard part of real estate that no one likes to do. I started doing cold calling, and I remember that actually today he's one of my best clients. He owns like between 300 and 400 doors in Little Havana and outside of Little Havana too. I called that person for 6 months on the road, every week, consistently, until one day he picked up the phone and he's like, "Who are you that have been calling me for the past 6 months?" And I'm like, "Oh, let me introduce myself. My name is Amber. I know all the properties that you have, and I have a plan that I would like to present to you to see how can I help you, because some of the properties were in distress." And then he told me, "Okay, I'm here, XY property. Come and meet me." I went there and I showed up. And he was like, "Okay, I'm gonna give you a shot." And he gave me one. And then from that one, moving forward, we've been working together for the past 5 years in different deals. Lands, buildings, renovations, acquiring, selling, you name it. That happened because I didn't stop calling him and I didn't get tired. I need you to know who I am and what can I do for you. I stop when I'm done. The only thing that matters is the result. The only thing that matters is that I'm done, that I go back to you and I'm telling you, "Hey, this is done. We close." Because man, I get things done. Like it's no muela. My name is Pernia, and it's my responsibility to help you find your spot.
Why should somebody pick you as a real estate agent?
Por una pila de razones.
Well, let's start.